We dealing with some shit tonight, ain't we? Guys, you know what I mean? Yeah, we dealing with some shit tonight, gang. But we gonna work through it though. This big skull gang or no gang or don't bang. Remember, we don't break the news, goddammit. We just kind of break this shit down, man. Smash the like button, man. Yeah. We going through some shit tonight, man. But we gonna get here, gang. We gonna get here. Nigga, look, I put the link in the chat, man. Are y'all gonna pull up and ask any goddamn questions? The people will pull all types of shit on you. Said my guy Noah, New Orleans Stepper. Salute, gang. Salute, fam. Shout out to everybody from the NO in this bitch.
You say something.
Can you hear me?
60 to 6'4", 270 pounds can get through this. It's bars in the wall, right?
Okay.
They never had scratches on them to go over barbed wire fence. Even if they did go through the wall, how are they going to know which way to go and all the other doors get open? Anybody that went to visit anybody in a jail or been in a jail, no, it's all locked doors. You can't even go into a visitation room without being popped into a locked door.
I've been in the jail, and I've been in Orleans Parish Jail. I've been in a cell in Orleans Parish Jail. Listen, you got to get buzzed out the cell. Everything you need, you got to get buzzed out. The stuff that they need keys for, you have to be an employee at the jail to have access to these keys.
Okay, so tell me this. So what is Antoine saying because of the escape?
Listen,
so he's saying he did escape. How did he get out?
Do it look like these guys are in urgent and running? Hold on. Do it look like they are running, like they're running away, or are they walking? Those guys are walking. Okay, so if you escape from somewhere and you're right there by the jail, you're gonna be walking like that?
Okay. Salute. Okay, so hold on. So is he? Hold on. I mean, I'm always no bad feedback. So as he said, Toya, I see you backstage. So is he saying that they let him out? Like, you know what I mean, how did he get on the outside of jail?
Absolutely, they let them out. Absolutely, all of them said they were let out, not just him. Every last one of them.
Did the niggas have any? Was there any release paper to go with their release? Like, you know what I mean?
No.
Was it like a normal release, or was they under did somebody tell them, hey, I'm gonna let you niggas just walk out? Or
yeah, somebody told them they're gonna let them go out. And at the end of the day, if government officials and these people are voted into office that they want them to listen to, and this is what they telling them to do, they listen to the place that Louisiana put in place for them to listen to in their jail. So y'all need to go to them. Louisiana is very corrupt. Did you not see 2 days ago, 3 guys just escaped another jail?
I did see that. Okay, hold on.
How's all these escapes from jails happening? This is not a prison. This is a jail that's in a building. They don't go outside. They don't do none of that.
Okay, we got a question real quick. Toya, you in the building, Toya?
Hey, so can you hear me?
I hear you, Toya. We got Diamond White in the building. We got Diamond Lee. She's the advocate for Diamond and Antoine Massey. Toya, what's the question you got today, man? Diamond White is in the building, man. Antoine Massey girl is here.
I don't know if I really got a question or I just got some. Both of y'all sound crazy. You, Diamond, you wrong as hell because you use the system. You use the system against a black man when it's already shit going on in the world, and it's victims that are rape victims every day, and you using that shit as a weapon, and then you get your ass up here and you act like everything all cool. Oh, women, y'all know how we do. Women don't do that shit. It be little ass girls trying to pretend to be women because you knew that black man was already on parole. And ma'am, if you run out of prison and they didn't fucking release you, you go through a hole in the wall, then ma'am, that's an escape. So what you have to do is void.
Okay.
Hold on, Diamond. Hold on. Ma'am, they didn't go out of a hole in the wall. They set all of that up and staged it up. So they didn't go out of a hole in the wall.
Ma'am, we seen them in 4K running out the back dock. In 4K, we seen them running. If somebody let you out of prison, if somebody let you out of jail, you have no need to run across the fucking freeway. Stop playing, man. Y'all coming up here playing in our face. Y'all coming up here playing. We seen them running